Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp Business. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp Business app. Once you're in, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Account. As you'll notice, there's no direct logout option here, only Delete Account. So here's the workaround for WhatsApp Business Logout. Close the WhatsApp Business app completely. Now, open your regular WhatsApp application. Tap on Agree and Continue. Then, enter the same phone number you used for WhatsApp Business. Select Continue and wait for it to connect. The data will start transferring automatically. Type in your name and tap Done. You're now logged into regular WhatsApp with your business number. Now go back and open WhatsApp Business again. As you can see, you're successfully logged out of WhatsApp Business. This is the easiest way to sign out of WhatsApp Business without losing your data. The only alternative is deleting your account entirely from the app, which we don't recommend. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more tutorials.